Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Do you ever see these wood phone cases on Amazon and wonder if they're any good? Well, wonder no more, because I got one. Let's see if it's worth it. So this case is from a company called CarveIt. I found it on Amazon for about $25. Opening up the box, it comes with this felt bag, which is quite neat. It fits with the overall vibe of the product. There's a wide variety of designs on it, from ravens to Oni masks to Viking runes and much more. I chose this Baphomet head because obviously inside it comes with a lanyard, which is odd because there's no hole in the case for it. Also, there is a camera bump protector, which is appreciated since there isn't a lot of case protection along the camera area. And also you have some product info as well. Seems to be made out of recycled paper, so kudos to you, CarveIt. Onto the case itself, it is a TPU case with a wood backing. There. Looks really good. Wait, we need it to be blood red because devil. There you go. The TPU components are slightly textured and gives it a bit of a grip. The wood carving is excellent. The wood is polished and really smooth, and it seems attached to the plastic bits really well. Let's again weigh this like the last cases we reviewed, and it is a whopping 43 grams, but it is made of wood, so it kind of makes sense. Now let's put this on our phone. The fit is super snug. There's no give at all on the sides. Overall, it looks awesome, very unique in design, and despite it being more of a horror aesthetic, it still looks pretty classy. The cutouts are precise. The S Pen cutout is a little snug, not hard to remove, but also not the easiest. The buttons are surprisingly clicky even if it's really rigid, and the sides are appropriately grippy as well. There's a pretty big open area in the camera region, like I mentioned earlier, which I'm not a big fan of, but the back is raised enough that it provides some camera bump protection. And there is a raised lip on all of the sides as well to protect the screen. Finally, let's see if we can wirelessly charge this through the wood, and interestingly, it works fine. Did not expect it to work, honestly, so that's a huge plus. So to conclude, yes, these wood cases, specifically the CarveIt brand, are really nice. Build quality is great, decent protection. The design I chose is well cut and accurate to the one shown online, so I would 100% recommend this case. And that's it for this quick review of a CarveIt wood case. Follow the links at the end for more Galaxy S23 stuff, like comparing phone cases and other accessories as well. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe too. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye!